Okay, so this is my demo. My name is Evan Espino. This is for System on Chip Design Project 3, working with Petalinux to configure GPIO to the board. So as you can see here from Linux Pong Hard Data, we were able to build it to the board. And then from here, if we open up Minicom and set the right settings, we can actually open up the terminal here. So of course, first what we did was log in, just created some random password. And then we changed the directory or looked into the directory of this sys class GPIO, and this gave us export GPIO chip 512 and unexport. So then I looked into the GPIO 512, and it gave us these items, and I looked specifically into NGPIO, which is the number of GPIOs that this specific program from the board, which was 2. So then I CD'd back up into the top of Linux Pong Hard Data, and I gave myself root access. And then from here, I was able to echo 512 and 513 because that's what the GPIO starts with, 512. 512, 513 to the export, which then if we ls back into this folder directory from before, we can see that it's added GPIO 512 and 513. If we now CD'd into GPIO and then looked at what the direction says for 512, it says it's in, and GPIO 13 also says it's in. These are both the buttons right here. So this is gonna be 513, this is gonna be 512. So if we see when we read that value, it gives us 0 until we press that button and it gives us 1, and then the same thing for 513. So if I, for example, now do 512, it says 0. However, if I load that back in and I'm now pressing 512 and I hit enter, I'm gonna have to do it with this finger. As you can see, it gives us a value of 1. And then if I do it again, let go without my fingers, it gives 0 again. Then we can do that for 513 here. Again, 0. And if I'm now pressing 513 on the board here, and then I load in the command again, and then I press enter, as you can see, it gives us a value of 1. If I let go and I run the value again, it gives us a value of 0. So yeah, that is the complete project.